Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search. And in today's tutorial, I will show you on how to find high resolution free copyright images in Google search. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google search. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google search, just like what you see right here. Having opened up your Google search, next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here. Here, you can simply type in, let's say for instance, I'm looking for carrot high quality images. So I will simply type in carrot images. Then make sure you add HD in capital letter. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Once you hit enter, you are going to see variety results about carrot images. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to images right here. Click on images. And this is going to pop up right here in the variety, different sizes and from different platforms. Now you want to get the one with free copyright images. That is the one that has no copyright issue or copyright materials. What you need to do is to simply navigate to tools right here. Click on tools. So when you click on tools, it's going to take you right here with different options right here. Now go to usage rights. So under the usage right, make sure you click on Creative Commons licenses. Click on that. Creative Commons licenses means that images that you can use for commercial purpose, you can modify them, you can use it for anything as the case may be. So any images that you download from here, it is free to use from Google and it is in higher resolution. If you click on any of them right there, like for instance, if I click on this one right here, you see the images here is in higher resolution, and you can come down below here and read the detail about the images. If we click on license detail right here, it takes you to another page whereby you can read the license images, and for that you will know that it is a free images, so you can see no copyright. So this work has been identified as being a free of or no restriction under copyright law, including all related and neighboring rights. So it means that you can use these images for anything as far as this copyright of a thing is concerned. You can scroll down and see more images. The more you scroll down, the more different types of free images is going to load up. It's that simple. So if I click on this one here, also right click and open in a new tab, then we see the quality of the image. And just like what you see right here, you can see the image is of high quality. And if you click on here to visit the source of the image, then you see that the image is free to use and serve no copyright. Then you can come to detail license right here. Click on license detail, then it will take you right here. Creative Commons is the non-profit behind the open license and other legal tools. So which means that our legal tools are free to use. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find high quality free images free to use on Google search. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to search on Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.